Okay, in this video we're going to explain robot initialization. So as you can see here, we have the run op mode function. So everything within that block will happen when we're running the op mode. Next up, you see a comment block that says put initialization blocks here. Initialization means when you ready the program but don't start the program, this is what it will do. So during initialization, we want to set motor directions where we want them so we can reliably drive forward or backwards. Because when you mount your motors, sometimes they will the direction of the motors will be flipped from what you think they are. So you need to figure that out and set them to the correct direction. So Reese is going to put in 4 motor initialization blocks. Under actuators, and then you go to DC motor, and then you scroll through here. You have lots of options. So you'll go to, we'll zoom out, we go to DC motor, and so you see the set quad 1 dot direction to whatever you fill that in with. So we put that in initialization. So this will set quad 1, which is what we've named motor 1, the direction to direction dot reverse. So you can set it, if Reese will click on reverse, either forward or reverse. There's only 2 options. So then we will get another block. You can duplicate it by right-clicking and then clicking duplicate. Then we click it in and change it to quad 2, which is our second motor, setting it to a set direction. So in this case, we might do forward. And then we repeat that process until we have all 4 motors, or as many motors as you're running. Our robot right now runs 4. So we'll have quads 1 through 4 set to different directions. For our robot, 1 and 4 need to be reverse, and 2 and 3 need to be forward. That's how you initialize a robot with normal motor settings. You would save the program in the top left, and there you're done.